Hello friends, previous video we saw exercise 6.3 question number 3, 4 and 5. Please share and subscribe that video. Now see in this video we'll see exercise 6.3 question number 6, 7 and 8. Question number 6, in the figure if triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, show that triangle ADE similar to triangle ABC. Similar here, two triangles given, it's congruent, they are congruent, and that these two are congruent, and with the help of that, means it is given, we have to show the another which they asked, ADE and triangle ABC, that we have to show that both are similar. So what is the given? See here, ABE is given, then congruent to ACD. So which are ACD, these two triangles are given. Show that ADE similar to triangle ABC. ABC means that big one, we have to show that. See here, again here, what is the question? This ADE we have to show similar to triangle ABC, A, B and C, that big one, we have to show that. So similar, and this another ABE, give ABE congruent to ACD triangle. So here given congruent, then to prove also it is given in question, so that you have to write and then see the solution proof. Here triangle ABE congruent to triangle ACD, this is given in question. If congruent are there, that means what? All sides and angles are equal. The test is also there by the test, but here congruent means their sides are equal, angles are equal. So what will happen? AB equal to AC. Here AB is given, ABE triangle is given, then another one is there, ACD. So AB and AC, sides of that two triangles. So AB equal to AC is first equation we'll write, and CPCT. CPCT means what? Here corresponding parts. Corresponding parts means these sides will come. Corresponding parts of congruent triangles. So here AB and AC is the corresponding sides or corresponding parts of congruent triangle. So they are equal. Then another, all three sides are equal. So AE equal to AD and AD equal to AE. So here CPCT. Okay. So by dividing 1 by 2, dividing equation 1 by 2. So here what is the equation? 1 AB and equal to AC, upon dividing means AD upon AE. Okay. So here angle DAE means this angle is there. Okay, this angle is there, equal to BAC. BAC means again another, that same angle is common, means it is a common angle. So by 3 and 4, here 4 equation we got, or 4 sentence we can say. So by 3 and 4, this triangle ADE is similar to triangle ABC. We have to see that one here by S, two sides we got the same here, from 1 and 2 we got the, here two sides we got here. See, AB equal to AC, and then AE equal to AD, same is there, but we are writing like this, AD equal to AE, that is the second, means two sides of two triangles, and then one third angle means SA means two sides in between there is one angle is there by SAS similarity criteria. These two triangles are similar. So what is the question? That same question they asked. So means we got the proof of that this equation. It was very simple. See again here congruent are there. Congruent means all three sides are equal. So we got the two sides and then his angle, one angle is common here in these two triangles. So which angle? Angle DAE equal to angle BAC. It is a common angle. So by SAS similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Now next question is there, seventh here. In figure altitude AD. See here figure altitude AD. AD is given. Then CE of altitude AD and CE. Then two are there, AD and C of triangle ABC intersect each other at the point P. Intersect at the point P. Show that. Here four questions they ask. So here very simple. What is the given? Triangle is given and two altitudes are given and they are intersect at point P. Then what is the first? Triangle AEP. Where is AEP? Means this small angle is there. And triangle CDP. These two triangles we have to show it's similar. Okay. So here very simple. Then that only triangle we have to consider here, triangle AEP and in triangle CDP. So here angle AEP. See here angle AEP means here altitude is there, this 90 degree is there, that means another one is also 90 degree, both are equal to CDP. This angle and this angle they are 90 degree. By definition of altitude both angles are 90 degrees. So altitude is there, then it is 90 degree, and by sine also it is shown that they are 90 degree. Both angles are 90 degree. Then see here another one is EPA. EPA means this angle. Here this angle is there, and then another one is there CDP. Here sorry, angle EPA. Here see EPA means this already I shown that. And then another one DPC. DPC means this angle. So it is a vertical opposite angle. So vertical opposite angles are equal. So two angle we got. So from 1 and 2, this triangle AEP similar to triangle CDP AA similarity criteria. So first we completed. Then see the second ABD. Then which is the ABD? A, B and D. This one is there. A, B and D. We'll see which is the A, B and D. Means here we can see this red lines A, D, A, B and D. This will come. Okay. Then another one CBE. CBE means this complete is coming. Okay. So here take that in triangle ABD and triangle CBE. Here again here angle ADB. See angle ADB. Here one is angle 90 degree. So another this angle is also 90 degree. This will come 90 degree. Then CDP. CDP is 90 degree and AEP. See AEP. AEP means this one. AEP and CDP is 90 degree because already it's given. It is a altitudes are there, another angle is there, supplementary angle. So here it's become 180. So another one is also 90, and both angles are becoming 90 degree. So here now another next we have to see angle ABD. ABD and CBE. CBE. This one CBE means here angle is there, and first you will see again ABD. ABD means it is a common angle. Common angle is always equal. So again same we can say triangle ABD similar to triangle CBE by A similarity criteria. Very simple, two angles we have to, if two angles are also equal, it's become a similar triangle. So now next is there AEP, triangle AEP. So where is that AEP? This means AEP, and another one ADB. ADB means this one ADB. So very simple. Again here AEP and ADB is 90 degree. Then common angle EAP and DAB equals EAP and DAB. DAB means common angle, means all it is coming only common angle. If you see the name of this triangle, their common angle is coming, and here altitudes are there, so it is a 90 degree it is there. So from 1 and 2, from these two condition A is similarity criteria and given angles are similar. Same way fourth PDC. Then where is PDC? PDC means this angle, and then PDC and BEC means this angle. Okay, so here also same way it is coming. Angle PDC equal to BEC. It's 90 degree. It is given already, we saw in previous also. And DCP equal to ECB is coming common angle. So from 1 and 2, triangle PDC similar to triangle BEC by A similarity criteria. So what is the fourth question is given? That all are we solved. Very simple, in all four is coming same, but different angles as per their what is the given triangle is there, that angles are coming and their common angle. Now question number 8. E is a point on the side of AD produced by a parallelogram ABCD, and B intersect CD at F. Show that triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. Now here figure is not given. So with the help of what is the given, we have to draw the figure. So parallelogram first ABCD. So ABCD is the parallelogram. Then see E is a point on the side AD. Here side AD is there and produce E point is there. And B intersect. Then BE intersect the CD at point F. So show that ABE similar to means this triangle. This triangle is similar to CFB. CFB means here see this one. So very simple, we have to check the which given. So already this given, then we have to prove AB and C triangle CFB similar. So proof what they ask, that in triangle ABE and triangle CFB. So see here B angle BAE means this angle, and FCB So what is the property of the parallelogram is there, then opposite sides are equal. So this angle BAE and angle FCB is got equal because opposite angles of parallelogram are equal. Then another AEB, where is AEB? AEB means this angle is coming. Then another one CBF. CBF means this. Here C is there. So very simple. AB and BC are parallel. This is BE is giving transversal. So alternative interior angles are equal. So here AE, see AE and BC are parallel. AE and BC are parallel and BE is a transversal. So they intersect. So from one end to triangle ABE similar to triangle CFB. So by AA similarity, two angles we got equal. So by AA similarity criteria, these two triangles are similar. Means what is the question is there that we solved. It's very simple. So next video we'll see question number 9 and 10. So please share